Welcome to Reliable Aftermarket Parts, where we offer quality replacement parts for your tractor, backhoe, dozer, or any other agricultural or construction machine. In our quest for your complete satisfaction with the products we offer, if any item you purchase does not meet your expectations, does not fit, or you don't like the way it looks, and it's unused, you can return it for exchange or refund. We strive to offer customers competitive prices with the best availability and shipping worldwide on all the top name brands, as well as hard-to-find construction and agricultural equipment. From restoration to rebuilds to just simple repairs, Reliable Aftermarket Parts has the products you need to keep your machine running for years to come. Please visit our website at www.rapartsinc.com. And if you would like to speak with one of our knowledgeable customer service team members, please call us at 888-672-7876. Otherwise, please send us an email at info@rapartsinc.com. Thank you.